Hey guys, welcome back to Cook You Bastards, helping newbies kick ass in the kitchen. Today, another edition of Scratch or Store. What goes down better first thing in the morning than a big bowl of these babies? Oats. A lot of things, actually. Oats by themselves don't taste that good. So, what if you took those oats, baked them in butter with a bunch of sugar and some fruit, and some nuts, and some other stuff? Now you're talking. That's granola. Seems like you can't even swing a cat in a supermarket these days without hitting about 10 different kinds of fancy pants granola. And a lot of it ain't cheap. $5 for a bag of oats? Are you I've been making some lately. I don't know why, I just got on this kick. It's really easy, and it tastes really good. So today, Scratch or Store granola. Should you be making your own? You can use whatever oil you like, but I'm already on record as being a brown butter fan. So first, I melt a quarter cup of butter and keep it going over medium heat until the solids are brown. You'll know it's done because it's going to taste like it's divinely inspired. Get yourself some good old-fashioned rolled oats. Nothing that says quick cooking, and definitely not instant. Put 3 cups of those bad boys in a big bowl, a cup of dried blueberries or, whatever dried fruit you want, a cup of almond slivers or some other kind of chopped nuts, a cup of unsweetened dried coconut. It's got to be plenty sweet. I prefer the big flakes, but I couldn't find them this time around. And half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Throw some more flavor here if you want. You can throw in some cinnamon, orange zest, sky's the limit. Now this part's important. Slide the bowl to one side, grab a glass of scotch, and drink a bunch of it. You're making granola, for fuck's sake. How did your life get to this point? Yeah, better not to ask. Get your oven preheating to 250. When the butter is brown and tastes awesome, remove it from the heat and add a quarter cup of dark brown sugar, a quarter cup of honey, wait for it, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now you have this amazing sugar syrup. Don't drink it. Not yet. Add that to the bowl with the dry ingredients and mix everything together. It'll seem dry at first, but don't worry, you're in good shape. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper, not wax paper. You'll be sorry if it's wax paper. Spread your granola out on it, then pop it in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes or so, slide it out and give it a little stir to keep the bottom from overcooking. When you take it out, it's still going to be really soft, but let it cool because that's when it hardens up, and then you can crumble it. All right, guys, here it is, the moment of truth. Scratch or Store. Store, I've got this triple berry stuff. Scratch, there's mine. You can see it's kind of toasty now. I'll even film this. Store it's a lighter color. It's pretty loose. I thought it'd be clumpier. I thought mine was going to be the looser one, but actually mine is kind of clumpier. And it's brown, toasty looking. Let's see what they taste like. Store's good. It's fruity. Tastes kind of like breakfast cereal. I can really taste the brown sugar. It's got some chew to it. This doesn't really have. We all know the true test is with milk. Got the Store, got the Scratch. I'll go in reverse order this time. It's nice, man. It's got good texture, good flavor, real toasty. I don't particularly taste the nuts or the coconut. There's kind of more of a hint, so I think I might use bigger chunks next time. But it's good. It's got like a good sort of hearty feel to it. With a stick of butter in it, you'd hope so. All right, your Store. It's a lighter flavor. It's got kind of a weird chemical thing going on with those freeze-dried berries. I wish they'd just used dehydrated. It's not bad, but it doesn't have a lot of character to it. Believe it or not, guys, I gotta give it to Scratch, because this is just a lot better, hell of a lot cheaper. Make a big batch and throw whatever you want in it. Obviously, it's really easy to do. It's quick. You can change up the flavors however you want. And yeah, so forget about the fancy pants stuff. That's where you want to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, send me comments, and check out my website. Cheers.